Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Mohamed Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share and like. Of 2008 Nissan Rogue. We have a key we need to program. So this key here, as you see, it start the car. You see the car start. But the next key, I'll put the light on. The next key here, I'm gonna take this one out. I'm gonna put this one. I will turn the ignition and see nothing. You see, and also you have the security light is on. Where is the security light? You see here, this piece here. This one, you see it is on. This one, it never go off. But if I put the other key, if I put this one here, that light will go off and the car will start. So let's go slowly. I am doing you see now that light, as soon as I put the key inside, it disappears. See? So what we need to do is we need to program this key. Aftermarket key will work, from the dealer work. And this key here, in order for us to program it, we have to use two steps. The first step, program the key itself using a diagnostic tool like what we have it here, and the second one is to program the door lock unlock separately. So we're gonna do the first one. If you use Maxi 6, all diagnostic and programmers are different. There are some programmers that just do programming. This one here, Maxi 6, they call it Maxi 6 or Maxi 106 or 608, it have a name here, Maxi IM 608. This one, it combines diagnosis, programming and immobilizer. So I'm going to use this one. I will say accept. Some tools that you cannot do diagnostic with it, only keys. They use it by a lot of locksmiths, only keys. You don't even clear code some of them they clear code. But this one here is a great tool, believe me. If you are a mechanic and you need to have a diagnostic tool, I'm not talking about scope and component information like Snap and have it, but it's for diagnosis, believe me, it's good. So this is, you know, Nissan and Infiniti, the background, the DNA is one. So Nissan and Infiniti is the same company with two brands. Brand with a luxury like Infiniti, and Nissan is like a quality, not a quality car, but a quantity car, but they are good. Okay, the same company. You want to pay more money, go to Infiniti. You want something reliable, but also is good, go to, but both of them are good cars. Japanese car, their reputation, everybody know. Okay, now I'm trying to scan the car. I want to read the VIN number. The VIN number is already here. I say yes, so I'm going on depths now to analyze the car and try to get into the software. By the way, you see the airbag light is blinking. That's why when you have a tool like this, you can do diagnostic and programming the same time. Right now, 28%. It take a little while. Let's wait. 32. By the time you fully communicate with this car, with the anti-theft system or with the module, it take about 100 seconds. Because you see 93, 94% sometimes pass, but just say like hundreds. Now you have two choices to do. You can go to Imo Stato or Imo Smart. So if you want to do a smart car, you can come here, but here is good because it let you it will let the scanner recognize exactly what car is it. But you cannot do some functionalities. This is only all key lost, clear codes, and also go into the engine computer and see what's going on. I'm gonna do the key. After I do the key, I will do the, okay, so go to, either way you're gonna say all key lost, because Nissan you cannot you cannot make one key and leave the other one. Okay, insert the ignition cylinder and turn the ignition on. So be sure that all the key have to be programmed again. So I'm gonna say okay. You see now, okay, I put the key that is working. This procedure, erase all keys, so be sure that all the key available. I will say okay. Now in a few minutes it say done. So what you need to do now, leave this one, is done here. So you come back, follow my step. I'm gonna turn the key off. You're gonna notice this light will flash 5 times for each key that need to be registered. Turn the key off. Even the key that was working now, you have to register it again. Turn the key on, the light will flash 5 times. You see there? Okay, turn it off. This key is already registered, but the programming is not closed yet. It will close when you turn it with the same key. This one is not gonna work anymore. So you're gonna take the next one, you put it here. Where is it? Here. Look at the light that I showed you before. I'm gonna come near now. Turn it on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn it off. You can turn it on with the same car to close the programming. With the same key, I mean. You can turn it with the same key to close the programming, or with the first key, whatever you want to do. I'm going to turn it with the same one. I turn it on, nothing happened. This is this key start. Perfect. Where is the other one? And this key also, if I put it, it will start. Let me see now. I take this one out. You remember it was not working. I'm gonna put this one. Also is working fine. Now what is the next step? The next step is to program the remote. Now this remote is still working. You see here, it's working, but this one is not working. So how are we gonna make this work? Very simple. Leave this one like this. You're gonna come with the same key. You see here, if you look here, we have accessory, lock, accessory and on. Here key is lock to come out. This one here, accessory, radio work, cigarette lighter work, you see, but no dashboard. The other one is on, that means everything is on. So you're gonna put the key in the ignition and take it out more than 6 times. Then the flashlight will flash. If the flashlight is flash, you're gonna turn it only one. Don't turn it here. No, just one here on accessory. And then you push one of this, it will work. So let's go. We're gonna try to do it. I'm gonna put in and out. When you see the flashlight, the hazard make ping ping 2 times. Now you're gonna put it in and turn it to accessory. 1 step, not 2. So let's go. I don't know if it's clear or not, but I'm gonna do it now. And then push one of the buttons. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You see it blink. Now turn it here. Only one. Don't turn the ignition on. Now you push any one of it. It will respond with you. That's it. That means this one is registered. When you turn it to accessory, look at it. You're gonna turn it. The blade is gonna just go exactly on accessory. You see? We have 1, 2, 3. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So 1 and 2 are accessory. You see, you're gonna put it in 1. You got it? On accessory. You see 1. Even sometimes 2, but 2 is empty. Or 2 and 3 is empty. But just put it in 1. So 0, 1. Push one of these buttons. One of this button, you push it like this, it will respond. Then to go out of the programming is very simple. Just turn the key on. Take it out. Open the door and close it. Forget about anything else. It's good now. Lock, unlock. This is unlock, lock, unlock. And second time for all doors. This is for hazard. Very, very simple. Thank you guys for watching Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. This is Mohamed Harun Idris. See you in another video. Thank you.